Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix low FPS and just overall how to get higher FPS in Elden Ring NIGHTREIN. And let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is go ahead and make your way over to the game settings. So inside Elden Ring, go over to graphics and then go ahead and just turn down everything, because there's a very high chance that your PC is not able to run the DLC at high settings. So go ahead and just turn it down to either medium or low. You can also try turning down your resolution. However, it does make your game look significantly worse, so I don't really recommend doing it that much. But if your game just keeps crashing or is not able to run at all, it's very, very low FPS, and that is also a method or a solution to the fix. Now, what you can also do is you can also try updating your drivers, and you can do that by either going to the search bar, typing in device manager, and then you can make your way over to display adapters. Right click on your GPU and hit update driver, and then go ahead and choose search automatically for drivers. Now that is one way of updating your drivers. Another way is by going over to the NVIDIA app directly. From the NVIDIA app, go over to drivers, and then from here go ahead and click on download if there are any updates or downloads, and then once that is done, you guys should be good to go. I also recommend restarting your PC as well. And that should be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.